So I have a little bit of cilantro. I have a little bit of jalapeno. I have this little bit of sweet onion, some garlic, and this fabulously ripe tomato. So instead of just tossing that all away, I'm gonna make some pico, because why not? I'm just gonna dice my tomato. Like I said, this is how I kind of roll. This is real life cooking. Got some of this, got some of that. What are you cooking from your kitchen? I don't like to waste things. And once you know what flavors go well together, just make it up as you go. Cooking's fun. Eating it's fun too. Okay. But you see how easy that is? But that's not even any work. In goes the cilantro. In goes some jalapeno. Cut up a little sweet onion. Now I need some lime. Don't need a lot. I didn't make a lot of pico. This is just a way to use up stuff I'd already prepped. Okay, so some lime, pinch salt, pinch pepper. Dinner's gonna be so good.